Unlocking the power of skin cycling. The skincare revolution of 2025. Skin cycling has become one of the most transformative beauty and health trends of 2025. Originally developed by dermatologists to simplify complex skincare routines, skin cycling is now a global movement, with millions adopting it for better, healthier skin. Unlike traditional skincare regimens that overload the skin with active ingredients daily, skin cycling follows a structured, rhythmic approach that allows skin to heal, strengthen, and glow naturally. The method focuses on alternating active and rest days in a weekly cycle, promoting balance and long-term results without irritation. It's perfect for all skin types and needs minimal tools or equipment, just the right products and a disciplined routine. This trend is visually striking and easy to illustrate with before-after imagery, simple infographics, and progress timelines, making it ideal for your podcast posters. On day 1, exfoliation takes center stage. This step prepares the skin by removing dead cells and clearing clogged pores. Chemical exfoliants like AHAs, alpha-hydroxy acids, or BHAs, beta-hydroxy acids, are commonly used. These agents increase cell turnover, smooth the skin's surface, and enhance absorption of upcoming products. Listeners should be guided to use these exfoliants only at night and follow them with a gentle moisturizer. For poster visuals, this day can be illustrated with a close-up skin diagram showing layers being gently sloughed off, symbolizing a fresh start. Exfoliation is about renewal and clearing the path for deeper, more effective care in the days to come. Day 2 is all about retinoids, the holy grail of anti-aging. Retinoids boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, and even out skin tone. However, their potency can cause dryness or peeling, which is why they're best used sparingly. In the skin cycling model, Day 2 is dedicated solely to applying a retinoid product at night, followed by a nourishing moisturizer to counter dryness. This day demands patience and consistency, as results build gradually over weeks. To illustrate this phase, a poster could show the molecular action of retinoids within skin cells, stimulating repair, firming the dermis, and fading spots. The emphasis here is on transformation and deep cellular rejuvenation. Days 3 and 4 are recovery days, often overlooked but absolutely vital. These are the days when the skin gets to rest, rebuild its barrier, and absorb hydration. On these days, users avoid actives and focus on skin-friendly ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides. This break helps prevent irritation and supports skin healing, making the entire routine sustainable and effective in the long run. Visually, this stage can be represented by calm, hydrated skin textures and a simplified skincare lineup. Just a cleanser, moisturizer, and optional serum. These days reflect balance and care, reinforcing the idea that less can often be more in skincare. By day 5, the cycle starts again, or allows for flexible variations depending on individual skin needs. Some prefer a 4-day cycle, while others go for a 7-day plan with extra recovery time. This flexibility is one reason why skin cycling has remained relevant through 2025. It works with your skin, not against it. It's rooted in science, yet easy to implement. It fits all lifestyles and requires only basic skincare products, making it inclusive and affordable. For your podcast listeners, skin cycling offers a structured path to beauty and health without overwhelming routines. And for your visual content, its step-by-step nature is ideal for storytelling through compelling, educational poster designs.